Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Folks, RTP 10th edition.
Oh, my boy, my so say, omo, etimi organize. Boy, my baso, yeah.
Ah, and I know.
I say, oh, I feel no more quiet, dear. Anna,
I feel no more quiet, but see a dean come on the new categories and then see a beche dress codes. I didn't come over the all kinds of bonabaso.
And one more answer. Sitting in our kind of my answer. Any near feel say all answer no. Or say
I understand you when you don't want to comment on something. That's what you.
And no say no all answer. Into me beside the question and your pen or back at the
dear no caso answer.
Who beside the question be no say and no
dear questioner.
Me a free question.
Me beside say assassin war him.
And no or say all answer. Yes.
It can one also be so bizarre.
Aye.
Say assassin way.
Aye. Because maybe the enemy say me nyansa mu no. Enka nia odi asase ne ba ne krampo de. Opportunities say no. What you say? And na wo nso a odi asase ne ma wo no. What you must say? Wo nso nyansa mu no. Wo de be promote ade na ma no. What you must say?
Meti wa se ba.
Yes say nia onyam hwanhwan de no.
Do ye ehwehwam de no on pepa ne nsa kwa.
Good. Until this is the time inka my location no what must say all these radio opportunities here wunye nyina no you are advertising the location, hitting the location, and people will even want to lead and go and buy there.
Yeah, because celebrities be bow.
Yeah. No nipa no yana jeno wo nyansa odi yana dia me na me hwan.
Neze what can nyansa wo be so say the first went me and I want be so be kan say sebi
men kansa na ba cho men kansa mo shema no
no but wo si nyansa mu no nyansa mu no neze one can do say onim nyansa
men kansa me se ono se ni ono pe no kan what you must say
and one vivid reason which me cram no ya adwene
se enka adwene no nkyere se ono ne wo ya adwene enti yenya ne saa
ba me ka se me ne wo ya adwene se enka ye hu location a e be advertising more
ono nso mpe minum yati anse si enim ne ona no anase se ono anabusua asase ase whatever we enim
ase Jimmy Ray
ye enim agreement between ono ne Jimmy Ray no on fa metu ye enim ye nkan me hu se ono Jimmy Ray agreement ni what you must say enti based on nia omo pe no eno no ye we can force him enti me ntwe ne bebre ola.
Okay.
Why?
Mate.
Nanko father in same bebre bia my pacho. My bre. Who share the voice cry my bre.
I have a sense that you are running away from BB and I don't know
I'm
what
not running away
as
from
BB.
No. I'm not running away from BB.
Oh, yeah, sure.
No. I'm only congratulating RTP.
Okay.
What am I saying? I'm congratulating RTP for 10 years. The bia yako nearba neabeka neako neaba. RTP they have their way of doing their own things. And for 10 years, omo peko. Omo feel say, you know, say, what is new? This same thing. What is new?
Oh, what is new is that this time around, the bloggers are coming home.
Is it new?
Yes, it's new.
Every year they become.
This time around, the dress code for François Ba is new. This time around, I had to say, perform me a do. Don't see new. It's you know, if you say what is new, I say you are not appreciating efforts or more addition by coming out with all these fantastic new ideas.
I think say you were not listening to me.
I'm sorry about that.
Me say me born my baso.
Yes, what kind?
Yes. Into my born baso, I didn't be I say. I appreciate and agree and support whatever they are doing.
Oh, okay. Mate.
Or you just want us to just find faults where there's no fault.
I mean, can't find fault.
There's no fault. I haven't seen any fault.
But your interrogation of the matter, no. Ebuama yet me build the adeni. Emanis ednya fapin papesi in the future. It's in a
situation where the person is open for that, you do that. But when the person is not interested in that, you don't do that. You don't force there to be there while there is no there. Let's move on.
Okay. Wabisa, Yemfrey question. So I think that he has specific questions. Number one, I think that Tina should be said the same thing, and it has been going on. People want to know. Board members.
Thank you very much. I think this conscious effort of trying to deliberately derail the efforts that we have made and the giant steps that RTP have made. No, at Waswache, because there are some personalities. Say when it comes to award, it comes to RTP. Say the biano, ye kai and crofo, a name I see best 8 years ago. Na enka the egu scheme no, and you say oman kasa, and ana a share asie, and omoye sadie no, and that kind of hypocrisy no, too much. Auntie Tina, maybe answer a question. No, say, so you'll be minus last year buyer because I'm going to take it here, but Obi be a rubber RTP for the past if I say there's 5 years near I feel before I show no best start time and nipa be transfer settle no. There's a video that we play. And a bad life, me sure say they have seen it on TV. You bought the video with pictures and names of our board members. And Sakwa na show na I started. And whilst people are seated after every red carpet, then call live on TV. No, the first thing that we do is to profile all the people who are our board members. And so and so person, or you say, so and so person, or you say, we've been doing that over the years. Last year we did it. The year before we did that.
Okay, Prince. All right. Prince, can we go straight to giving us the names of your board members?
I'll give it to you, but
yes.
me man kofobiti say adibia koswache. A deliberate attempt of certain people. Omo feel say omo kasa na nkofoti.
Certain people like who and who? One yes sir. Name and shame. One yes sir.
Even somebody like Socrates. Why part of it?
Why then?
Omo deliberate attempt to degrade every time, trying to bring the scheme. Nankofon feel say, but you know what? Over the years, whilst other schemes are falling, everybody can testify to the fact that RTP has been one award scheme that have consistently been improving massively.
Next, Prince, the whole can say Socrates sabotage RTP. Is that what you are saying?
You cannot, of course. And I said they started sabotaging us 8 years ago.
Socrates, Safo. Socrates. Now then, I will sabotage RTP. Socrates.
Listen, wait. Maybe.
Yeah,
I didn't want us to go there, but
no, but it's relevant to go there so that
at this time.
No, but you have mentioned it, and the person is
people like that, they will never say anything good about RTP. But the people who follow RTP, because on see what that so what RTP that what RTP conference center say what RTP what could be that on see what that. And he told me himself about a week ago, a share of piece of him, and he was saying, that's what he told me. And there's nothing about RTP and people like Socrates. He told me a week ago, I was outside anyone
private conversation.
It doesn't matter. I want to say it because he told me. I can't say, "Mom, in car one thing." So what I say. So the people like this, we don't do things like we don't do anything to impress people like Socrates, because they are the people who do not want the scheme to reach where it has to be. And so what I say, he's one of such people, and I'm not afraid to say it. Everybody knows in Ghana, say me, Prince Maki, like me buy na me kasa with so much way, but it doesn't mean say na me pain or me move over the years. But if you want to pick something that happened 8 years ago, now the related scheme no that is religiously not fair. Are you getting my point?
I'm getting
because
your point.
What happened 8 years ago? No, once on himself now can na
what happened 8 years ago? We are
past that stage, you know. Me, I passed there, and our board
you have
passed
the pain. Oh, pain will move. Let it go. What happened 8 years ago?
Only.
What they can?
You have to say it right here.
I'm not saying anything because you know it.
You come and say
no, then what happened 8 years ago?
Busa Sam say one can't tell me a week ago say Umba Hoda na Umba Hoda. Have you come to RTP before? I would can't say and says it's a woman now come as a what about RTP people that what should be that? You have never been there before to even see what goes on there. That you want everybody to know, say you know everything about it. Have you been there before? Isn't it ridiculous? Is it not shameful that a place that you have never been part of, who see what that, which me can't say, if you are saying who say wouldn't be about it, that is very ridiculous.
What happened 8 years ago?
I'm here, brother.
You will say it before you leave this room. you can't come and sit on radio and just put words out there.
You can't force me to say it. When they sabotaged us, when they wanted to kill RTP, when they took monies from certain quarters to cripple RTP, that's I'm telling you.
Took money from who?
You know what?
Took money from who?
I said they.
They who?
Did I mention your name?
Oh, look at this man.
I said they.
We are on public radio and this is.
And yeah, we want to know what happened 8 years ago.
Ola, you are the host.
Yes.
What can I say?
You know,
yes, it's not me chance mete at the airport ya we year 8 years ago.
Messi 8 years ago. Certain people did everything possible to bring RTP down,
including
and
myself.
That includes Socrates.
Oh, you want, if you want to add yourself, you can add it. But I say people like you. I don't think that when I talk, you listen to me. Do you listen to me at all when I talk?
If you talk sense, I listen.
If I talk sense, you listen.
Yes.
I've been talking sense, but you have never listened. Because you never listen to any good thing coming from a good man like me.
Ola?
Yes, sir.
No, he will not get away.
We are still waiting, don't worry. Okay. We are still waiting for what you did 8 years ago.
You know what? We have come very far. From that time till now, we have, a 2 year that time. Nanka senka RTP da kojo to. Nanso Nyankopon adom yen ama ya boy homode ama se ka. Yes, two of the biggest schemes in Ghana in terms of credibility, in terms of enthusiasm for the what do you call it, the industry people. You mentioned, say, I'm lucky. Indeed, by God's grace, I'm lucky. By the grace of God, indeed, I'm lucky. But you know what? And yet on a silver platter, as you say it. What you say? Because onimnyam for Dr. Father Dixon, onimnyam for Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Omunim say eyensem hunu na ye dia sebi, eyensem hunu na RTP dia. They will not spend their quality airtime to promote for their nominees to win, my brother. They know that these people are going somewhere. They are doing something good. We have never gone to anybody to take a peso from them. And so we are credible scheme, and we have done a scheme to the point that even the industry people know, say, this one, if you truly deserve it, you get it. And that is why when you for to say Dr. Osei Kwame Despite, Dr. Father Dixon now, and all over other places, because me hadon omudina mebo, me ko other places mebo omusudino. And then na omu nyina timi de, omudi omuni munyama de ekare hono. And ti won say ye bo RTP advert even Msifa can show so, and I say morning afternoon evening, it means say a credible and almost supporting. Thank you very much.
Dr. Busao board but still now Omoy and so Busao adia wo year 8 years ago still now so
can force me say me answer.
But what he had now work on some atoms no on sure what happened
8 years ago.
Oh, you were specific to Socrates.
Miss Wakam.
Dear no Socrates specifically were here 8 years ago, Prince.
Please,
it's okay. Say you better resolve this
with this program.
Yes, don't worry. We invited you here. It's no me pass. So it's no answer. What me answer? But not dog. So NSBC say nomination process. No, yeah. How is it like? Okay. Understand?
One of the people are one of the schemes are processes. Yes, so plain and transparent. www.rtpawardsafrica.com. You see our criteria category description and what every category stands for and everything. And it's not as if we just put it on there every year. I mean, no, say it's been there since, but certain people have not even bothered. People like Socrates have never even bothered. They don't even know our website to even go and read and learn about what they don't know. And so they are always naive, and then they spill out evil concerning us, you know. So that is that. Oh, please allow me.
But one thing that is still outstanding. I mean, we have to resolve. What accuses Socrates of one or two things that won't substantiate here?
I have not accused anybody.
You have accused him. It's on record. You have accused him. And
I've mentioned certain people who over the years have derailed our efforts.
Good. And you mentioned Socrates to be part of those people. Osaka says, you have to say it or apologize to him. No, you have to say it or apologize to him. But I'll come to that after Arnold. No, hold on. No, we are not here. We are not here to do that. We have to we have to be decorous with the way we treat each other. Arnold. Also for accusing him of something that he has no facts to. I think it's right we do that. Arnold, Christopher, what's up for Mike? I
want to put something on record.
Okay.
One, what dare me say, baby, I'm pessimistic be I'm in Fanko. And I'll promise him that I'll do that. Because one, will accuse me of doing things which is criminal. Say obi ya dia no be kwakọ shekukuemu. No ye me be against ya no. To me, it boils down on criminality, and I say it's even against me character, and I say me who say na me can no
integrity,
my reputation. Yes. Into no there, I'll seek proper redress. No me prove mommy. Secondly, what can be none of them so say my attitude towards RTP, whatever it
over
is.
The period
over
no,
the
has
period,
not been
no,
a positive one.
I didn't say positive. I didn't give it a classification. I said it's been nonchalant and cavalier. You know,
me pacho with the bro for kesi ni no person chese. I know. Me pacho nonchalant and cavalier na chese. Wo de che ase ni enko. Me pacho etio nonchalant and cavalier.
For the records, me amiti an say me radio that my only interest in radio say as a pundit. I will never be nominated. I have no interest, and I'm not behind any bibia make say me what personal interest bintia what say me koko say adie bi what you must say none of my just me interest bia wo mu me babe affect me ntino me kwahye bibi and obia nso ni wa among radio like the radio industry no other sector no the only person that is I would say I hold some allegiance to your Father Dixon. What you must say Anasi despite your friend is saying media, and I know how they are supporting him. So who am I going to connive with to do anything against your friend is saying RTP?
Is it not the case of your communication? All right, sorry about that.
Ola, Arnold. Yes, sir. Unim say you free near Babetna show is until recently. Topic crampo near nim topic I babe discuss it. Now when you be aqua coconaivi ababetna say me babe ye we say ye babe drew han say ya senia onipa na waba no e kana sem no enum ne ye bibi free near their form your opinion. And that has been the style ever since. And who betna say no kan wasem ni metie na me fa bibi free mu e de pemwa. Where is that Yina? Let's all, you Arnold, you have you been okay with his presentations anytime he appears on this show on your friends? We've all had challenges with it. Everybody ubeti no and yes awards no ne can say bia or yeah awards na criminal analysis doesn't qualify to organize awards. Send your baby kanasem. And now what you say Arnold and you may be a waka crampono. You may have one or two challenges with it. And then when you do that, na mete ha metie ne awoka no na me come opinion na why should it be something that you say I am against you? Let's be honest with ourselves. Everybody, we are what them will say. Anytime Mackay comes here, or can say we sometimes it's me friend Abontin, it's 24. But when we come and sit on this show, yes, your credibility is on the line. Oh, how you manage yourself on the show, and some will be canon. Your ratings go high as a pundit, or comes down.
Okay.
What am I saying?
Yeah.
And in the end, we are also being assessed. And to what I say, we will have to deal with it. You can be my brother or the president or whoever. That is how we deal with it. And that has been the issue with me and Mackay all these years. But let's put it on record. You, Mackay, how many times don't frame me? Sometimes what frame me around 6 o'clock in the morning before? Beside me advice. If I were to be your enemy and I say, Obia, I'm working against you, all the advice I gave you when you had an issue with, was it Mercy Johnson? You said the year after. You called me. I advised you, Mackay. Then they said, no, but you know, but to say the kind of artist I even told him, was it last year or last 2 years? You called me personally, say this time, no, you want to listen to me. I remember advice you told me, say, oh, Minya. I told you, Mackay, you don't have a problem. I said problem, no. This is one award scheme. Even Crampo, no, is sold out before the event. And it's not about the artists. I'll be good stage, you know. So, ansana. There are awards to tickets based on ABA artists or more performers.
It's what to know for awards in who damn our fan and let us say,
Missy, and yet once, Bisano. I told Mackay, say, Mackay, there is one person you are missing out in terms of these awards. I don't know the person, me meeting that, but per the history. Mami Fanun to answer. I always call him Madman Mackay. When I see him, I call him Madman Mackay.
Why?
Because we were on this show. And Yanopa, a show ye, and yet he say, Yenim near Koso. And Kwesi Abwajibisa say, Mackay, what you have for the venue? Mackay catcher say, as at the moment I hear your show, no. Kaka Kramia started events, no. Say, on Chia, then he will be a madman to have done that. He might be mad.
Okay.
What am I saying? On this show, he started 1 o'clock.
Where I don't want to go is where he's going.
But you two, the two of you can go there now.
Then,
no problem.
Then Kwesi Abwaje. Me say on Twitter and answer with you. What am I saying? Then Kwesi Abwaje friend Obi, whoever he called, I don't even remember the name. Was it conference center?
Conference center. I remember that case very well.
Good. And Obi sa, then only party say Yenchia. Since then, me say Mackay. Say from today going, one no can I say you might be mad. Until from today going, me I call you Madman Mackay. That was it. Now on the other advice now, Mekano, I say there is one person here who hear radio and TV. One individual in Ghana. Obia you free no, but pay the contribution, the risk on his life when guns were blazing. That he took the bold step and the radio stations have a Ghana but to be recognized and per the kind of award that we so to me recognizing more so in these 10 years we
Dr.
Reku Brobe. Me na man that advice. If I hate you, if I don't like what you are doing, if I'm working against you as you are claiming, or in the figment of your imagination, no, whatever you drink before you come here and you have this imagination, will I be giving you this advice? I told you and I give you the reason why Reku Brobe is the person that you should put some celebrate because on only sacrifice and the beer crime all these radio stations about and who award private radio stations and who awards on it. And I told you, say Mackay, the day I will be Reku Brobe no me senior me huni contribution fano. I would like to be on the stage. What am I saying? I would like to be on the stage just to shake him because that man has done a lot.
To shake hands with him.
Yes. And I told you, I plead with you, and that is the day I will come to the show. Now, going to the show.
Wrapping up on that?
Yes, wrapping up. Going to the show. Make for the records. Your show is, your awards is any award pa minko. Or me. When whom your award scheme be award events be that. No. Ni ame call music, Ghana music. VGME. And no crampo me invite me ni kwesi aboaje CMA presentation. Ya me award and me call Fred Nyama starting the movie awards. Ubisana me personally. Bra me nene bre first one. There aka some few minutes crampo aye be start here there no. Na ye ntwi your friend say gate no. Ya lock it. Samanfo ye mo bia nko.
Na venue ni ontwi aka.
Yes. Bisa no me ka chere so me nko etie mami nko yiska crampo ma no. Ne mfa nko tua.
That was a friend, Yama. Was a friend. Yeah, so this you know.
Yeah, BBA, and Mekachi said, Otimi saw to BBA, and Kajas Charlie, Fred Miko Fie. Also, you had the MSO. Charlie, I don't feel like coming inside. My boyfriend Niama behind the scenes, I mean, enter Ghana movie awards inside that.
Okay.
The only awards are Mako Etnasi. Nianime participate, GN Bang Awards.
Okay.
And to the Make,
yeah.
Nanya wunti, and I say how I hate you. This is my presentation, but you have to prove to me. Baby, I only say me call Konavi with Obi. Asking against you because I said now I can on point to say who him say Bibi Akoso. I'm on for to say whatever, and you have to prove to me.
So Yama Maki and Emrem na yemfa nkomodie no ensina em say agie time.
Yes.
Prince uti Socrates
yeah briefly. My main case someone show.
Catch you nyame nko.
Well, my advice that. But that's not mean say me and Kasano I'm stupid. Asema me kan hai onim de ade ba kwa manwa.
Dabi.
Asema me kan hai Socrates aye gigi no bu aye we o kasa. I said the same thing on OKFM the tape is yesterday.
Friday.
Make the same thing OKFM. One react to say.
It's a moody here.
Exactly about what people did and their involvement and all of that.
The 8 years ago thing.
Yes. Me can now pamubeko OKFM moko fa tape no mombo. Me nim say higher Peace FM tina or there. OKFM no anopa. It was heated argument between me and Menino. Emma even comment man call for news po. They delayed about 5 minutes and some of picking news. And why today? Wait, meba. Secondly, as someone come about conferences how many event organizers na betina hanuma kwesi aboje busa om say what cheer for horn da.
Oh, I tell you.
Me say how many?
I may not be able to give the number, but several times.
Okay, no, we say Papa no say me cheer for me hall. An event that you claim say me cheer hall. The event came on successfully. On the how come say oh you getting me very you taking me to a certain level I don't want to get to for an event that we are paying so much money for. Anopa 6 a.m. they have put it out on all the blocks. Say RTP is not coming on because in Chi for venue. No Marco Conference Center acquire live coverage or say you're Chiana in China. Yesterday when you said that, maybe me say please. Yesterday when you said that, me friend Papa no mautie no Conference Center man Mr. Pia. I say me and almost see me can say when chia for venue na the show no one ye. And the show no one ye. And almost can say we me can say when chia for venue. Oh friend me and I catch on say what chia venue, say one chia venue and then the F line home. On be na the show so on chia ye conference at na ye asem na ye ono a ye de ba see radio so chia na no chia and no problem na you claim we didn't pay for the venue. How did we get the show done? My book has several way and all the within 30 minutes they are published on all the various entertainment blocks. The RTP is not coming on because the venue has not been paid for. Are they?
So this is what happened 8 years ago, no?
That was what happened 8 years ago, even including paying artists double what I offered them.
who paid artists double what you offered them? Said
I didn't want to get there.
No, said a more pay for me, Anna. Was that the reason for payment, you know? So when you make accusations and we don't get the truth. No.
I have not accused anybody. Me say
Prince,
so Ola asama me can say asama me can and nay our Peace FM. Go to OKFM and pick the tape yesterday on Halifax show. And then
and then Saturday.
Halifax in the program
and that Friday.
Open for Halifax Rebus and say what happened there yesterday.
Prince, I
said the same thing on OKFM. Socrates reacted to said yeah and to me everyone said a Peace FM to reacted there.
You know Socrates come artist can someone pay for me and
me pay mu that my free sa pay mu no must me bass pay no. Look my pastor stage no Nyankopon boy am here be doing fear do and now we kind what they call it Arnold kind no or say ye two of the biggest award schemes in Ghana, even entertainment calendar. But you two of the biggest shows are nobody can take out RTP. That is a fact. So when we come into Yebetinasia, Mama and say RTP is nothing and useless, and the way some of you present it like it's look, we've come very far. The moody by the grace of God, Yame boy made me bounce back. Mama fa enko some level bia ye baby bi na enka say ye nu ye ho Socrates man fa me enko some level bi because we beka say adentina wo yes ade we adentina wo kan sa asem we so ke what frame da say o person wo offer me bibi na obi win award da what frame da
me kese me offer bibi
don't take me to a certain level because I have
you record play.
I have it on my right.
Play.
When you offered me, say you give me gold for somebody to win RTP awards.
Minimum gold for what? You are stupid. Minimum go.
Me say don't get me there.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.